Google reviews are already building trust for you, but if they are not showing on your website, you are missing that signal right where visitors decide to book, buy, or take action. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed Google reviews in WordPress with WPManageNinja, customize which reviews appear, and give customers a way to submit new feedback, all without writing code. So let's set it up. Since we are working with Google reviews, that's the one we'll pick. First, you need to sign in with your Google account. Choose the account that has access to your business profile and complete the process in seconds. If your Google account is connected to multiple businesses, opt for the business profile you want to display, and WPManageNinja will fetch those reviews into your site. In case you manage multiple businesses, or if you are an agency handling client websites, you can also connect multiple Google accounts or business profiles when needed. Now that the Google account is connected, let's create a template. You can see the business profile is already selected. From here, you can configure how the reviews will be shown on your website. A grid layout works well for dedicated testimonials or review pages, while a slider is ideal for a home, service, or landing page where space is limited. You have also got machinery for a more dynamic appearance, or go with badge if you just need something compact, like a quick trust signal near a call to action. So select the layout that fits the page you are working on, then pick a template that matches the overall design of your website. Here's where a lot of people stop. They connect the reviews, pick a layout, and publish everything. But a visitor's looking at one specific service doesn't necessarily need to see feedback about everything your business offers. The filter settings let us make the reviews match the page. You can decide how many reviews should appear, show only higher rated reviews, organize reviews by order, and even hide reviews that do not include text. For more control, use keywords to include reviews that mention a specific service, product, or topic. In the same way, you can hide reviews that have text that may seem inappropriate for your business. You have also got flexibility to display reviews for a particular business product or category. With that, the review section feels less random and more relevant to what visitors came for. These settings help you add another layer of trust. Choose how you'd like your ratings to appear and enable the verification badge to reassure visitors that the reviews come from genuine customers. You can also customize elements like reviewer information, platform icons, review text, etc. If your business serves a specific audience, change the content language can make the section feel much more natural. You can even apply how the review content shows in the front end and enable external links in just a click. Now let's look at the header. This section allows you to display important business information along with your reviews, such as the logo, title, rating, and more. Just turn on the details you want and turn off the ones you don't need. There's one feature that can literally turn this form a review display into a review generation system. The setting that needs your attention is the review button. It lets you send people to an external link, connect a native review form, or use a Fluent Forms form if that's part of your setup. Since I already have a native form created inside WPManageNinja, so let's use that for now. Then simply select the review form so visitors can share their feedback using this. If you want to see that action, stay tuned. I'll show you that in a moment. Let's quickly go through the other options. If AI Summarizer is available, it can create a quick review summary for visitors who don't want to read through everything. And Schema Snippets can help search engines understand your review content better. You just need to configure it according to your business details, and you are good to go. Now let's make this look like it actually belongs on your website. You can personalize each part of your review individually to match the look of your page. I'll leave the design up to you because a restaurant site, an agency site, and an online store probably shouldn't use the same review style. But one rule applies to all of them. Keep it readable, don't over-design the reviews, make them feel native to the page. With that tip, let's save the template. Now I'll copy the shortcode, open the WordPress page where you want the reviews to appear, paste the shortcode, and update the page. And there you go. Your Google reviews are live on your WordPress site. So when someone lands here, they don't have to leave your site to check your reputation. They can see real customer feedback right at the moment they are deciding whether to book, buy, or contact you. And because we adjusted the layout, filters, header, and styling, this doesn't look like a random embed. It looks like a real part of the page. That's not all. The review button gives happy customers a direct path to leave a new review. They can click the review button, open the form, and share their experience right from here. You are not just showing reviews, you are actively collecting them as well. And that's the complete setup. We have successfully connected your Google business profile, customized your review section, and embedded it on your WordPress website, all in just a few minutes. If you haven't added them to your website yet, you could be missing out on valuable trust and potential customers. So don't let effective social proof go unnoticed on another platform. Put it on the page where customers are deciding what to do next. Click the link in the description to get WP Social Ninja, connect your Google account, and put your best reviews to work for you today.